Nak bela ayam tapi tiada tempat. Nak bela ayam tapi takut jiran marah.
Nak bela ayam tapi takut bau busuk dan tak tahu macam mana nak uruskan tai ayam. This is for you.
We are from Maktab Sultan Abu Bakar, EC1. Introducing the Coop Smart IoT Chicken Coop Solution. I'm Roshyan Murugan.
I'm Vishinuvartan.
I'm Ishaq.
I'm Shrinandan.
Now, you're probably wondering how our system goes and what component is used to build this product.
Now let me say, first we have used our Arduino Uno ultrasonic sensor, 2 servos in our first circuit. As our second circuit, we have used a ESP32 L298 motor and MQ127.
Okay, we have 3 levels in this scoop. First is the chicken living place. Second is the poop cleaning place. Third, the fertilizer process. As the second cleaning place works with 2 servo motors, first that will detect and swipe the poop, and second will open the latch. And we have an ammonia sensor to detect the level of ammonia found in the manure. And we have another ultrasonic here to detect the cm of poop so it can clear anytime it's overloaded. Third level, we have ESP32 which will connect with Blink IoT, and we have a DC motor which will process the fertilizer. Whenever the poop is detected by the ultrasonic over here, it will send notification to the Blink over here. The Blink will send notification, and when the notification is seen by the user, he will open the switch. When the switch is open, this motor will spin to make a healthier fertilizer. And if the user wants, he also can add some dry leaves and herbal stuffs.
As you are very interested to see our demo, here is it.
Level 1, Level 2, Level 3. The MQ137 is detecting the poop level. The view of ammonia. The ammonia level has reached the maximum. The slider there sliding the poop to down. We have a ultrasonic over here which can detect the status of the container. When it detects more than 10 cm, the ultrasonic will trigger the DC motor. This is the process to make fertilizer out of manure. We can see the process level, process status, and container status, motor power, which is speaking via binary language. This process goes under 1 minute. The process level is increasing. We can see the label, process ongoing. There is an LED which represents the UV light, the presence of sunlight. It makes it more healthier for the fertilizer. The process has come to an end. The buzzer will buzz 3 times for a better notification. We can have some quick report via our phone. That's it.
As you saw just now, our chicken coop contains 5 goals. That is, first one, maintaining cleanliness. Second one, reducing accumulation. The third one, ensuring of safe disposal. The fourth one, supporting operations. And the final one, relying on monitoring.
So, by this project, first the farm owner gets benefit because their coop is cleaner and they can save time while creating a new source of income from organic fertilizer. Second, the communities get benefit because we completely eliminate the foul odors and environmental contamination. And the third, chicken themselves get benefit because they get live in a healthier, safer and cleaner place.
Hope this will bring a big changes in our society.
As we are transforming poultry farming.
Through smart automation.
That's all from us.
Thank you.